In my last video, I showed how we can use TableMonkey to rapidly load things through staging queries to the data model. But sometimes we just want to grab multiple tables and make connection-only queries for them, and we don't want to go through the rigmarole of doing a right-click, get data from table range, open Power Query, hit load, choose the load destination, and wait to do each one individually. We'd like a faster way. And as it turns out, TableMonkey can help with that as well. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's assume that I only care about my sales table and my budgets table. I don't even want to bring in my categories table. It's just those two that I'm after. And all I want is a connection-only query, no extra staging layers or anything like that. Let's see how TableMonkey can do this. We're going to go to Query Monkeys, TableMonkey. I will launch the TableMonkey dialog. So the first thing is that I don't need the categories table at all, so I'm just going to uncheck it and it's going to go away. I don't really need these staging layers here, so I'm just going to dial these down on a global basis here and bring them down so that we just have our initial table and what's loading currently to the data model. Except that I don't want to load these to the data model either, so I'm going to uncheck the boxes next to those, and that's going to turn them yellow for connection-only queries. Of course, I can also go and right-click and rename my table and call this one Budgets to give it a slightly better name. And now that I've got all that set up, I'm ready to actually go and create these. So I can now go and say create. And at this point, boom, they're all done. And it took, well, 0 seconds to make that happen, which is pretty nice. Now, obviously, there's a little bit of time configuring the user interface, but at the end of the day, this is much faster than going through and doing a right-click, load to data model, choose the load connection, close and wait for each of these to actually be created. You just can't work through it that fast any other way. So there you go. That's a nice little handy tip of how you can use TableMonkey to load multiple tables and actually named ranges into your Power Query connection-only setup. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.